cause we was underestimated.
A lot of these songs we had like going on 2 years, and we made a lot of different decisions to cut songs from the first preview project, Romance Dawn 1, and especially with this one, like crazy thing is like I let my little brother hear them. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck ass nigga.
Fuck me, that hoe gon' fuck me. She said you don't wanna look like y'all me too. She just wanna fuck and I say y'all me too.
What am I got right now?
Nigga, no. Who the beat? Fucking done. Fucking done for our career.
You taping this? I will surpass this nigga. Hold on.
These new boys won't jerk me, baby. Oh, I've been on the scene for a long minute. Why you niggas all just now?